Hi guys, and welcome back to askNK. Today we have news from the guys at Adobe, and this news is actually targeted to the Creative Cloud users. And so if you are making use of Creative Cloud to actually make amazing content, then Adobe has released some sort of news that you would no longer be able to download any stuff that isn't within the two major releases of any particular software that you're working on. So for example, if you're making use of Photoshop, After Effects, Premiere and all that, the only available versions that is now considered as authorized versions would be the last two release. All right, so there is an email that was sent out, and I'm going to put a link in the description so you'll be able to go through and read those things out. You would see that there is some spec'd out versions that are considered as authorized, and these other versions are considered as unauthorized. Now the reason why this is because the guys at Adobe are actually saying that they would like to focus their energy on maintaining and developing more and more features for these authorized versions. So they're thinking about doing these things for both the Windows version and also for Mac. Still speaking about this, Adobe Acrobat seems to have a slightly different change, which simply says that only the most recent version of Adobe Acrobat will be available for you to download. From the email that was sent, if you're making use of the unauthorized version, you are required to actually uninstall and delete pre-existing packages for future accidental deployment, right? So you need to take these things out. I guess this would actually do with some sort of infringement, although they're not saying that now, but we know how these things end. It might end up being some sort of infringement later on. Adobe hasn't released any statement towards that effect, and of course SpeedGrade has been discontinued. And if you don't know what SpeedGrade is one of the softwares that was created by Adobe at a point in time to actually help filmmakers color grade their shots better, but I think now it has been integrated into Premiere Pro. And this is about it. I would like to know what you guys think about this in the comment section below. Link to the forum where you can see all of the discussions that is going on is going to be down there in the description, and also link to the blog and also link to the email so you can read these things up for yourself and get concrete information. Other things I would like to say is, if you want to move away from the Adobe platform, and let's say you're making use of these softwares and you want to move away from them, there are a lot of free softwares in the channel which I covered earlier. You should try them out and see how they work for you. And if you're looking for a replacement for a software like Photoshop, there is a software that is available online for free that you can make use of, and it's known as PhotoPea. It is actually considered to be Photoshop replica that just exists online. And if you're actually thinking of a software that you can use for free that encompasses Premiere Pro, After Effects, and the media encoder, there is the Resolve from the guys at Blackmagic. You can try that out and get the best quality out of it. Do you think this is a good move by Adobe? What about the guys using older versions because of the plugins that they get to use for those older versions that are not supported in the newer versions? For example, the Pixel Ddo, Endo, and the 3Do. Tell me what you think about all of this in the comment section below. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Hit the like button, turn on notification, and if you're new here, it's going to be amazing if you can just hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications so you don't miss the next update. And until I see you guys again with a tutorial, update, review, tips and tricks, things like this, peace.